Hello, TypeTwice here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a dotted line in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can see, I've just opened a new Illustrator document. And let's say that we actually want to create a dotted line. The first thing we want to do is to create our line. And we can do that if we go into the toolbar in the left side of the screen and choose the line segment tool. So just click on that to select it. Then we just want to go down right here and we want to remove the fill if we have any. And then just select a stroke for our line. So I'll just be selecting a black stroke right here so we can see the line a bit better. Then you can also just go up right here to the stroke and change the stroke weight so we can see it a bit better. Then just click and drag over while holding Shift to create a straight stroke. Then we can just let go. Now it's time to actually create this into a dotted line. And the way we do that is by first selecting the line we have just created, just like this. Then we want to go over to the Properties panel. And if you cannot see this, you can find it up in Window and go down to Properties. You can also just press on the stroke right here in the control bar. And this is the same thing. So yeah, go over to the Properties panel or the control bar and press on the stroke right here. And you can see that this panel will now show up. So the first option we want to do is to change the cap right here. This is right now set to butt cap. And we want to change this to the round cap. Just like this. Then we want to go down where it says dashed line. We want to check this. And you can see that our line is now turning into a dashed line. We don't want that. We want a dotted line. So in the dash right here, you can see that right now it says 12 points. So just press 0 right here. And now we want to go into the gap, which is right next to the dash right here. And from here you can actually just start by pressing the up arrow. And you can see that our line is now turning into a dotted line. And the more you turn this up, the fewer dots it will add. So let's say that I only want a few dots. I can just set this up to, let's say, 25 points. And if we just try to select the artboard, we can see that we have now created a dotted line. And you can always change the dots by just selecting the line we have just created. Go into stroke again. And the changes has been saved. And you can just continue customizing the line. So yeah, that is actually how to make a dotted line in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That was all for now. See you in the next one.